Leos, this is Tara with Ariana Stark. This is your monthly forecast for the month of November 2020. Before we dive into the video, do us a favor and click the like button to help spread the word about Tara with Ariana Stark. Perhaps you could also share this video with your friends and acquaintances and hit the like button as well. Maybe you could get insight and others could also benefit thanks to your goodness and kindness. Let's just dive into your reading. Leos, please keep in mind that these are all random messages for the month of November and they may not be in any particular order. I will definitely use some oracle decks or even a Lenormand deck apart from tarot. Towards the final days of October, stepping into November, we have the Six of Cups. This is the energy that you're carrying forward. Maybe there was some kind of separation in a relationship. Maybe you were feeling the pangs of separation. There could have been a distance between you and your lover. Some of you may have also heard from somebody whom you have had an estrangement. I'm also picking up that you have definitely made gains on account of your friendships or on account of your contacts. Obstacles to overcome this month or the challenges you have to face as you move ahead in November, we have the Three of Cups. Certainly, this is the time to tap into your contacts and your feelings and with respect to your love life or even with respect to work, because your friends and acquaintances could help you move forward. Don't retreat into a shell, rather than go out there and be more visible. Another thing I'm picking up with, I think that your social life could be on the upswing and this could eat into your work hours. So this could be a bit irksome for you sometimes. It could even rattle you. The health of a young loved one or young person could also be a factor this month. Maybe you should also promote yourself on the social media. It could benefit you. Even if you're ill-equipped, maybe you can tap into younger people and they could help you. Influences for the month for Leo, we have Ace of Pentacles. Certainly you're moving forward. You have to capitalize and you have to make the most of the opportunities that will present itself. It's a material vibration, so you're not supposed to. And besides, this is the Ace of Pentacles, so you have to move forward. Also, I'm picking up that there could be gains through communication. Whatever it is, I think Leos, you'll be able to capitalize, you'll be able to make the gains. Emotionally, you may be a bit low and maybe it's not your best period. Maybe you will also be a bit erratic, so your temperament needs to be watched. Some of you may also be accused of poking your nose in other people's affairs, so maybe you should retreat and let others resolve whatever they are going through. Another thing for Leos, I also feel that you should be sensitive towards the needs of your mom. Basically, you need to be patient also, or you need to be patient in relationship and even at the work front, but you'll be happy with your productivity. Leos, I also think there could be some home improvements, or you could be interested in spiritual matters as well. Maybe you could also do some cleansing to overcome the negative emotions. The first 10 days, we have the Ten of Pentacles. Again, it's a financial vibration. Pentacles, as you know, is the earth energy. So you're moving forward and you're having an opportunity to make gains with respect to work. But I also believe that money could also be a factor with respect to your relationship. Sometimes it could even create kind of a disagreement. Basically, I think also Leos, you should compromise. You should not be too adamant or too dogmatic. Maybe you should be flexible rather than sticking to your point of view. For some of you, I'm also picking up that there could be outstation work offers, but they may not be that exciting. Maybe you think that it's not feasible to make that move out. Another thing, I also think that if your colleague could also be talking too much in front of the management or maybe giving ideas to the boss, so that means that work could increase for all of you. So maybe you will be asking the colleague to hold his tongue. Maybe you could tell the colleague to not spell out all those ideas that he has, because that means the workload will increase for all of you. Towards 11th to 20th November, we have this Four of Swords. So certainly this is a time to be more reflective, to take a back seat. As you see, knives are going to be sharpened behind your back, so you need to be careful about that as well. I think that you should hold your tongue. You should be more tactful in your relationships. You may also be accused of being too emotional or too rude, also impolite. So that is why it's best to get a grip on your emotions. Interestingly, this is also the time when others will come forward and they'll want to mend ties with you. Also, another thing I'm saying that maybe even if there are work offers or whatever, you may be undecided about how you should proceed. In this period, if you're working, I think Leos, you should collaborate, you should be cooperative, as this will help you make gains. Basically, it's going to be a very hectic period, so you have to you have to adjust. Also, I think you should keep whatever you have, maybe you should keep your belongings safely and also that you don't misplace them. And some of you can also expect positive feedback with respect to your work in the month. Towards 21st to 30th November, we have the Nine of Swords. So Nine of Swords is this card is, again, it's a Swords card, which means that you need to be careful. Some of you may also be a bit down and out because work increases, like I said, throughout the month, but it is also the time when maybe there could be absence of fellow workers, or there could be staff who are on leaves. That means that work increases. You have to adjust to the changing schedule. You have to step up and take responsibility. But even this could leave you overworked and tensed, or it could also be quite stressful as well. Maybe it could have a bearing on your health as well. Whatever it is, even if everything is not smooth sailing, there is going to be some respite, no doubt. Basically, everything will fall in place. There could also be people who are your rivals, or they could be out to malign you. So maybe you could confront them about why they are doing so. Some of you may also be concerned that your junior who is dealing with on your behalf could be making a cut. Maybe he's pocketing some money and he's not being honest in his dealing. So maybe you want to deal directly with the person in question rather than go via your junior. With respect to your love life, I have the card Observer. And I also clarified Observer, so we have Compromise. Observer is somebody who's obviously watching from behind. Maybe you're keeping an eye, or the person in question is keeping an eye on you on the social media, even if you are unaware of it. This could be going on behind the scenes. So maybe you need to understand that even if you think the person isn't, but the person has you in his or her mind. Another thing, I also feel that those who have someone on their mind, you may want to make an attempt to reach out to the person, or maybe you think that this is the best time to do so, but perhaps you should take everything with a grain of salt. Maybe every time it's not going to be helpful for you to do so, or it may not work out. Whatever it is, I think Leos, you will definitely find attention coming your way from the opposite sex. Some days you would be quite emotional and you may be longing for your love. You will also leave some people heartbroken. Maybe those who are pursuing you could feel rejected or whatever. In relationships, I think in case you're already in a relationship, we have the compromise card. So you need to compromise and you have to find the middle ground instead of letting things boil over. For many of you, I'm also picking up that there could be a possibility of a work-related romance. Maybe you will put limitations on yourself. So again, you're acting like an observer. You may think that there are family issues or there are some things which need to be dealt with. So that is why you want to move away from the person. But though you know that there's some kind of a connection there which you are trying to ignore. Perhaps you should show more affection towards your partner rather than be just an observer. Those who are dating, I think those who are already romancing, I think you need to help each other at work as well. Maybe you should show more affection, or you should be more, like I said, you should be more communicative, or you should compromise. On the other hand, married Leos, I think there could be situations when you get the blame or you find yourself being made the scapegoat for no rhyme or reason. Still, you should not allow your boys to desert you. Maybe later on your spouse could want to pacify you. So again, this card compromise speaks volumes here. Some of you may also have to deal with interference. Maybe your in-laws are going to interfere. That is why that could affect your relationship. Incidentally, from Lenormand, we have the card heart. So your heart is at the center of this reading. Maybe this is your emotions are coming into play in this month, so you need to watch out. Another thing, heart also could mean about being creative. So don't act under emotional duress or don't act in that fashion. From a past life deck, we have this card baby. So baby, I think many of you are dealing with some kind of a parental issue, or maybe you are dealing with some kind of issue with respect to a baby, or your childhood as well. Maybe there's some trauma involved with respect to a baby in your past life. You may have lost a baby, or maybe your childhood wasn't as good as you would have desired. So these are issues that are going to affect you, and these are issues that you have to address in this month if you want to move forward and balance your karma. I hope, Leos, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. I would also like to add here that we have the weekly love reading, which is published every week with respect to your love life. Maybe you could have a look at it and get greater insight into your love life. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.